Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing great and learning this language in a great way. So friends, in today's video, I want to talk about confidence. What is the real meaning of confidence? Confidence means to believe in yourself. If you are a confident person, then you believe in yourself. So let's talk about why confidence is required to speaking English or any language or doing anything. Why confidence is needed. So first of all, I would like to tell you, if you don't have the confidence, then you're not going to do anything. Yes, of course, if you don't believe in yourself that you can do this, then nobody can help you and you are not going to do actually. So, do you have the confidence? Do you think that if you are trying to do anything, then you can do it? Same like this, if I would talk about speaking, then if you don't have the confidence, then you are not going to speak. Yes, confidence is required very much. Because why I am saying this? First of all, I would like to take one example. Not example, actually, I am talking about myself. That I am making this video. If I don't have the confidence, then how it could be possible that I can make the video? No, never. Not at all. So, I would like to tell you one thing. If you are speaking and if you have the fear that I am not speaking well, I am not good in grammar, I don't have such kind of vocabulary, my grammar is weak, my vocabulary portion is weak, so that is why I am not able to speak in English. And you just think that I should give up. Then how it could be possible that in future you can be a good English speaker? You can speak English fluently. No, not at all. It is not going to possible actually. It is not going to happen. But on the other hand, if you have the confidence that okay, whatever I am speaking, I can improve myself. I have just started and after some time I can speak English better than right now. So, why confidence is required? Let us take one example. If someone asks to you that you have to speak on any topic or any question, ask you on any question, and if you know the answer but you don't have the confidence and you have to speak in front of people where so many people, you can say gathering, and in front of gathering you have to give the answer and you know all the answer in a good manner, but if you don't have if you have fear that if I will speak, then it may be possible that I will make the mistake, so how can I speak? And you just push yourself back that I'm not going to speak. So what actually it shows the lack of confidence. You know the answer better than any person, but you don't have the confidence. So that is why you will lose. You will lose the golden chance. So आप एक ऐसे अपॉर्चुनिटी को खो देते हैं और दूसरा कोई आपकी जगह पे बोल ले जाता है एंड देन पीपल प्रेज करते हैं कि दैट्स पर्सन इज गुड, he has good knowledge, he is multi talented, you are the most brilliant, but you don't have confidence. So that is why confidence is mandatory. Let's talk about English speaking. Why confidence is required in English speaking? If you are speaking, then confidence is required. Why? Okay, if you are speaking, and I'm not talking about you are speaking in front of anyone. Just talk about you are speaking and you are making lots of mistakes. And you just think in your mind that I'm not able to speak in English. And आप बस निराश हो जाते हैं, disappointment that I'm not able to speak. What I can do to improve? How I can be better? You are just thinking like this. And if you are making mistake, then you just lose your confidence that it is not possible, I'm not able to speak in English. But actually if you have the confidence, then no matter whatever I am making a mistake, after some days or after some week, after some months, after all I can speak. And let's talk about another example. If you are speaking in front of anybody and you are just thinking that what happen if I will make the mistake, and that is the reason, so that's why you are not speaking. So don't think like this. Just think whatever people in front of you, they don't know anything, and you have the talent, you have the capacity, you have the potential. Whatever knowledge you know, they don't know. You just have to think like this, and if you are thinking like this, then of course you are going to become a confident person. And confidence is required. You have to be a confident person. You have to think about yourself that whatever you are speaking and whatever you are doing, nobody is here who can do this better than you. So just think about yourself that whatever you are speaking in a good manner. Nobody is here who can speak better than you. No matter what are the mistakes you are doing, just think about that how you are treating yourself. Are you thinking that you are a loser, or are you thinking that you are a good person, you have the confidence and you don't have the lack of knowledge? Your English is, or your anything whatever you are doing, you are master in that particular things. So if you are doing, and if you will do these kind of things, then of course you are going to do the best. Whatever you can do, you will do. So I will tell you only one thing, that if you are speaking and if you are just thinking that you are not able to speak, so don't think about this. Confidence is required and it plays essential role. So if you are speaking, just think about yourself that nobody is going to make fun of you. And what will happen if someone says that you are speaking, your English speaking is so bad, you are not speaking in a good manner, your pronunciation is not right, or your English is not good, you are making so much grammatical mirror. So don't think about this. तो क्या हो गया कि आप बोल रहे हैं और मिस्टेक कर रहे हैं? नो, इसका कुछ मतलब नहीं हुआ. जस्ट आप ट्राई टू स्पीक and with confidence. Yes, I am speaking, then I am right. I am right means if you are making the mistake, then don't think about that you are making a mistake, then you are right. I am just talking about be confidence means whatever you are doing, and if you are making the mistake, then okay, you know you are making the mistake, but at least you will have the potential that you can do. At least if you are not speaking, and if you are making lots of mistake and then you are trying, then it is better than you are not going to speak. So just think about this, that whatever you are speaking, okay, no matter I am making the mistake, this is a part of learning. If you want to learn, then you will have to make the mistake. It is not mandatory, but it is obvious that everybody is making the mistake if they are learning. So just think about this. And one more thing, that no matter okay, whatever you are speaking, just think about yourself. Then you have to learn, then you will make the mistake, you will rectify. If someone is making fun of you, then this is not your fault actually, because you are in learning phase, and कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे. So you don't have to think about this actually. So just think about yourself, try to speak and try to become a confident person, that you are making the mistake, then no worry, I can speak better than me after some days. But right now you are learning, but you don't have to give up. That if you are not able to speak right now in a good manner, then you don't have to give up that I have not such kind of knowledge, I am not able to speak, so it is not possible. So I think I am just wasting my time. No, you are doing a great job. And you know what? If you are learning right now And if you are just thinking about you should give up, then after some days or after some year, you will regret that I was in learning phase, so I should have done this because right now I am not able. Had I done this before some time, then I would have become a good speaker. So just think about right now that whatever you are doing and you are just thinking about that you are going to leave, you are going to give up, then after some time, after some days, you are going to regret that काश कर लिया होता उस टाइम लर्न, तो आज मैं भी एक अच्छा इंग्लिश स्पीकर होता. So just think about right now that it is your choice that you are going to learn or you are going to just leave. You are just going to give up. It is on your court actually. One more thing I would like to tell you, if you are a college student or a school student, then if you want to build your confidence, then try to participate in your college or in your school in the program actually. If any program is held in your college, then try to participate. Anything you can do. You can sing a song, you can give the lecture or any topic. What will happen? It will helps you to improve and improve your actually communication skill. And if you are doing this, then it will build your confidence. Actually, in my school days, I used to participate in so many programs. I used to participate, and right now if someone says that you have to speak in front of gathering, then I am able. I'm not praising myself, but yeah, I can speak in front of people. So try to speak in front of people or in front of a student. If you are in your class, then try to speak in front of your classmates. Right now, uh, if you are free, if your class is free, actually, then try to speak in front of people. Just pick up one topic and just debate on that topic. And if someone is saying to you, if you are thinking, then of course if you are doing it very first time, then you will feel nervous, you will feel hesitate. But if you are doing it continuously, means if you are just trying to participate in any program, then of course after some days and believe me, if you are doing it on the regular basis, means if you are trying to participate in any program, then after some events you will see that that will be the another level experience. And after doing this, you will become a confident person. Yes, now you can speak in front of gathering, in front of people. So try to speak in front of people or in front of yourself. Don't give up, because confidence is required. If you have the confidence that no matter how much mistake you are doing, you are going to rectify it after some time. Doing mistake is the part of learning. And if you have the confidence, then you are going to learn and you are going to do anything in your life. So confidence is required for learning English or anything else. So be a confident person. Build yourself. Don't try to scroll only reels. Try to listen some good books, some audio books. Try to write down whatever you have done in your days, your daily routine, or your experiences. Try to speak in front of yourself. Try to record yourself. Try to speak in front of mirror. Try to read good books. And if you are changing your habit, then of course you are going to be a confident person. So try to do these kind of things. Okay? So okay friends, that's all about this video. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.